Yes, please. What is your name?
My name is Kasper. Pakistan is very beautiful country. I enjoy the people, the food, and the mountains most. We went from Gilgit to Kunjarov Pass and to Gilgit back, and I think that's all.
What you are from?
Poland.
Poland.
In Europe.
What is the Poland like? I love you. In Poland.
What?
I love you.
Kocham cię. Kocham cię.
Kocham?
Tak.
Kocham tek.
Yes.
And you are from?
Gdańsk.
Gdańsk?
Gdańsk.
Oh, nice. Poland is a beautiful country.
Yes, very beautiful.
In Poland?
Poland is beautiful country, greener than Pakistan. I think the temperature is lower.
All right. And the weather?
The weather is colder, much colder than here.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.